Hello, I am Dr. Sanwaj Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about the concept of normal distribution. Normal distribution is the parts of theoretical distributions. A statistician call a distribution with a well-shaped curve a normal distribution. We may have heard of the whale curves. A whale curve describes the data from the various variable that has an infinite or very large number of possible values described among the population in a whale shape. This is the basically means a big groups of individual gravitate near the middles with fewer and fewer individuals trailing off as you move away from the middle in either directions. In other words, the normal distributions define a probability density function fx for the continuous random variable x considered in the system. The random variable which flow the normal distribution are ones whose values can assume a known value in a given range. We can hence extend the range to minus infinite to plus infinite. Continuous variables are such random variable and thus the normal distribution give the probability of your value being in a particular range for given trial. The normal distribution is very important in the statistical analysis due to the central limit theorems. The theorem states that any distribution becomes normally distributed when when the number of variables is sufficiently large. For instance, the binomial distributions tends to change into normal distribution when distribution with mean and variance. Property of normal distributions. First property is mean, mode and median all are equal. Mean, mode and median all are in equilibrium. Next, the curve is symmetric at the center. Third है exactly half of the value are to the left to center is exactly half of the value are to be right. That means 50% in left and 50% in right. Fourth, the mean is directly in the middle distributions. That means the mean of population is designed by the Greek letter mu. It is completely next properties. It is completely determined by its mean and standard deviations or standard variations. Next property is the standard deviation is the distance from the center to the saddle point, the place where the curve change from the upside down below, shape to the right side up. The shape at that shape, the standard deviation of population is designed by the rho. Next, properties in a normal distribution data, there is constant population of distance under the curve between the mean and a specific number of standard deviations from the mean. For example, 68.25% of all cases fall within plus or minus 1 standard deviation from the mean. 95% of all cases within plus or minus 2 standard deviation from the mean, and 99% of all cases fall within plus or minus 3 standard deviation from the mean. Next property is total area under the curve is 1. That means total area is the 100%. We assume that 100% is the 1. That means we suppose we testing the error. We suppose we testing the error term 0.5%. That means the 5% of 1.05% is the 5% of 1. About the 95% is value within the 2 standard deviation of mean. That means the about 95% of value vary within the 2 standard deviation of mean. Next property is almost all of its value varies within the 3 standard deviation of the mean. Thank you.